Hello, Master.
Hello.
These days I'm getting depressed for every small thing that happens in my life. Due to this, I'm actually getting very much depressed. Can you please tell me how can I overcome this?
Okay. So when you are asking, you are getting depressed for every aspect. This only happens when you are not flexible. Let me tell you the difference between a flexible person and a rigid person. Let us understand this with an example. Okay. Now this wall is there. I'll take a stone and hit this wall. So what is going to happen to the wall?
It may break.
It may break. That is, the wall is getting damaged because of the impact of the stone. Now, the same stone, I will throw it on a big sponge. What is going to happen to the sponge?
Nothing, it may just score down.
So, you mean to say that there is no big impact on the sponge? Okay. Why? What is the difference? The same stone, same force, but why is this wall getting damaged and the sponge is still safe and it will bounce back and come back to its normal shape? There is no impact on it. What can be the difference? Let us understand in physics as well as mental health. This body is a rigid body. When the stone hits this is reluctant to adjust itself to accommodate that foreign object. What happens? The foreign object will put the whole force on this wall, and because of its impact, what is happening to it? It is causing damage. But if you see, a sponge is a highly flexible object. What is it doing? It is absorbing the energy produced by the stone on it, and then it will push back the stone with the same energy. That means it is taking that negative. If you compare it with mental health, the negativity which comes to you has to be pushed out immediately with the problem itself. Then you are bouncing back like the sponge to your original mental health. That is the difference between flexible and rigid. So the people who are very rigid, they do not like adjustments. They always behave like they behave in a fixed manner. That is, they are not flexible. What happens because of this character? The impact on their mental health is more, which may lead to depression and different mental health issues. But the people who are flexible, half of the time they do not care about every problem because they know that a problem is a part and parcel of life, and it is of no use to cater to every problem and think big and get depressed. Problems are a part of a life, and you need to learn that you have to be flexible. Don't pay attention to everything. Now, for example, last year the stock market had crashed. Many people lost lots of money. Were you depressed of it? Why were you not depressed of the stock market crash?
Is like it makes nothing.
That means it does not make any sense to you, right? Similarly, if you take the same life problems like something which is not concerned to you, will it make an impact?
No.
So, here, this is the trick for your problem. Whatever is negative, think it like something which is irrelevant to you, so that it will never impact you. Even if it comes into your life, also, you remember that it is a part and parcel of life. And one more thing you have to remember is you can't control everything. Don't be control obsessive person. Go with the flow of the life, and then remember that you have to be flexible enough to avoid depression. Be flexible like a sponge, so that any problem comes to you, right? What you do is analyze the problem and push it away immediately. Don't take it to the heart or the mind. Only when you take it to the heart, it will have a larger impact. So I hope you understood that depression can be easily avoided when you neglect to view certain things. Let the problem be at its place. Don't give attention to it. Okay?
Yes, Master. Thank you so much.
Thank you.